Hello everyone, I am Tanish Yadav and will be your instructor for this Python tutorial. So before starting, we have to understand what is Python. From Python we can create many things, like we can automate many things, we can make softwares, we can make programs, we can make artificial intelligence. So before starting, we have to install two software. First is Visual Studio Code and second is Python. Visual Studio Code is a basic IDE in which we will code and it will compile our code and give us the favorable output. So let us move on our screen and download the Visual Studio Code. So guys, now we have to open the browser and we have to type VS Code download and hit the enter key and you will see all the available sites, and you have to go to the official one, that is visualstudio.com, and click on this site and whichever operating system you are using, if you are using Windows or Linux or a Mac OS, so you can click on this icon if you are using Mac. So I am using Windows, so I will download Windows one. So I will click on this one and now my downloading has started, as you can see. So for this time I will download Python. I have to type Python download and you will see the first site, that is the python.org. It is the official one, so you have to go in this site and you will see the latest version of the Python and you have to install this version. So I will click on the download Python and my Python downloading has started and my Visual Studio Code is downloaded. So I will open the setup, open file, and my setup is opening. And you have to click on the I accept the agreement, and if you have time you can read this all. This is the license agreement of the Visual Studio Code. So I click on next and you did not touch this path and click on next. Okay, next, and you have to click on this create a desktop icon, add open with code, register code as an edit. You have to check on all these boxes. Please make sure you have checked on these all boxes and click on next, and this will show where your code will install and you have to click on install and your Visual Studio Code will start installing. So meanwhile we will open our Python setup, click on Python setup which we have downloaded and it will open. So you have to make sure guys, you have to click on this icon, add Python 3.9 to path. You have to make sure to click on this icon and our Visual Studio Code is downloaded and we have to uncheck this and finish. And guys, we have to click on customize installation, so click on this and make sure all of these are checked and click on next, and you have to click on only on this icon, install for all users, and now you have to browse the location. We have to save the Python in our local disk C, so we have to go on this PC and we have to scroll down and search for our app data. Here we can see this PC icon. We have to click on this and scroll down, and here we will see the local disk C, and we have to click on this and we have to click on this icon, make new folder, and this is the version of Python 3.9, so I will give it the name Python 3.9 and hit the enter key, and you have to select this folder and OK, and see that the folder name is C Python 39 and click on install, and it will prompt you the permission. You have to click on yes and it will install. So guys, as you can see our Python is installed, so you have to click on this close icon and you have to go to the folder in which we have downloaded our Python. So I have downloaded in my local disk C, so I will go in my local disk C and here I will see the Python 39 folder, and I have to click on this and I have to copy the path location. So I have to click here and have to press Ctrl C. So my path is copied and now I have go to my desktop, and on this PC icon we have to right click and go to properties, and now we have to click on Advanced System Settings. Here is the option of Advanced System Settings and we have to click on this. And now we have to click on this environment variables. After going in this, we have to come in System Variables column and see for the term path. Here I can see the path. I have to click on Edit and I have to make a new column, so I will click on New and I will paste my this path. So I will paste my this path and hit the enter key. Okay, and then okay, okay, and okay. And now we will open our PowerShell window. I will right click on this Windows key, or I will press the combination key Windows X and open the Windows PowerShell admin. And you have to click on yes. And you can see your PowerShell window is open. So for testing if our Python is installed or not, we have to type here Python, Python. And we can see our Python interpreter is started. Here we can start our coding in Python or in Visual Studio Code. But Visual Studio Code is better way for coding. So we will start our Visual Studio Code coding. So thank you guys. This is for this video, and stay tuned for another video. Thank you.